Hey folks, so quick guide for you on setting up the Apple Watch with the strap as soon as you take it out of the box. If, like me, you are new to Apple Watch, then it doesn't hurt to go over this to make sure you get it done correctly. So the watch and strap are both supplied in different boxes and will need to be assembled. Now, there's nothing to stop you from setting this up with the part of the strap that has the pin at the bottom of the watch, but I'm going to be going for the more traditional setup here and having that at the top. So with both sections of the strap, there is one side that is concave. This is the back of the strap. As such, it will be facing the same direction as the back of the watch. The actual connection is very seamless and works well. And let's start with the top of the strap. So again, that's the part with the pin. All we need to do is slide the base of this into the top of the watch until it clicks into place. This part of the strap is now locked in position, and all we need to do is repeat this process with the bottom section of the strap. Just make sure after installation you give both parts of the strap a bit of a wiggle to ensure that they are connected securely. And if ever you want to remove the strap, then there is a little button on the back of the watch, both at the top and at the bottom. Simply push that in, and whilst holding it in, the strap sections will easily slide back out. In order to secure the strap onto your wrist, rest the back of the watch on top of your wrist and then simply move the larger part of the strap over the pin of the smaller part on the underside of your wrist and click it into place at a section that feels comfortable, so it's not too loose but not too tight. And then you can easily slot the protruding strap into the loop, hiding it out of the way for a nice clean look. So I hope I've been able to address any issues and have helped you out. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.